I'm Coach Natalie, and this is the exact strategy I used with one of my coaching clients to help her overcome her fear foods. Caitlin loves Mexican food, but up until recently, she only ever let herself enjoy it while on vacation. This led her to feeling obsessed in a way that induced a lot of stress and anxiety. This is what I had her do. Step 1, we created a list of the foods she deemed off limits, ranking them from least scary to most scary. Step 2, starting with foods that were less scary, she began adding them to weekday meals at home rather than saving them for the weekend or special events such as having potatoes or avocado with her lunch. Step 3, she'd reflect on what her initial fears were and then observe what actually happened when she had these foods. At first, she was afraid this would lead to a binge, but the urge to go overboard subsided over time as she learned to trust that she would have access to these foods again. And step 4, she practiced eating more slowly by placing her utensil down in between bites and removing distractions. She also identified the level of fullness she was at by referencing the hunger and fullness scale and stopped eating when she was comfortably full. She repeated steps 2 to 4 for 1 month. Caitlin embraced the discomfort and she looked at slip-ups as learning opportunities. Eventually, Caitlin took her family to a local Mexican restaurant while not on vacation. And rather than ordering every dish on the menu, she took her time to decide what she truly wanted. With practice, she learned to trust that she truly has unconditional permission to eat, that Mexican food was there for her whenever she wanted, and there was no need to place it off limits.